Greeting, dear tutor. My name is Victor Bahar, and today finish with the active. I proceed with the active 6. I am going to talk about the evaluate method used to establish the price and the reason of selection. The three classic valuation methods accepted under CFS 157 cost, market, and income. CFS 107 cost, market, and income. The methodology applied was the of a case study based on the which to the net to estimate the fair market value of the software created by Software Colombia's CI company was considered for this purpose, and decision model was designed involving the theoretical foundation set forth by Bertolotti 1995 and really 199H. The results obtained by each method allow for the present case to establish to the range between which the fair market value of the software oscillates. And in order to estimate dice, the value of the technology was intangible asset by the market cost and income method to the expert used to reality calculation approach. The consultant, after performing an analysis of license agreement in the other companies similar to Software Colombia CA, concluded that the royalty rate for the usage of leasing is in range between for 15 and 20 of the percent the project revenue. My conclusion that the patent must be registered conclude an stipulation agreement that of exclusivity or customization in case they require it showing the costs are added the more attachment requests by the client, the more cost I will generate to highlight each client is free to custom customization or modification or exclusivity and the amount of time or expiration of each leasing. Very thanks is concluded. Thanks.